See, we are in the previous class, we have gone with BDC. Okay. And today we'll go with Bapi. Okay. So Bapi is a very interesting concept SAP has launched it. Okay. And basically, Bapi, what is Bapi? It's a business application programming interface. Okay. So Bapi is basically a function module. Bapi is what? Function module. Very simple. Okay. So nowadays, BAPIs are used to transfer your non-SAP data to SAP. If you see in S4 HANA, BDCs are not there. S4 HANA, I'm talking. In ECC, you have BDC. Extensively, we use BDC plus BAPI also. But in S4 HANA, SAP made BDC obsolete, outdated. Okay. And SAP has come up with what? BAPI. SAP has come up with BAPI. So, and what is BAPI basically? It's a function model. It is what? Function model. So, the moment SAP designed the software, the objective of BAPI was to make your non-SAP data to access, to make non-SAP system to access SAP data. The objective of BAPI was what? SAP gone with to make, this is the objective, all of you. So there is say Java or .NET, any other third-party non-SAP system. So you have data here, right? So now these people want to access your data now. What is there? BAPI or launch. BAPI is a function module, FM, but it is RFM. What is a RFM? Remote function module. Defined as a method in the BO. Defined as a method in BO, business object. Business object. And this business object is given here, a copy. So that through this method, because Java .NET can understand business objects, right? Business object, object-oriented programming only, right? So that was given, and through that, SAP data can be accessed. So normally this was the functionality SAP has launched at the time of launching BAPI. But later on, SAP realized that it is also used for what? Transferring non-SAP data to SAP. Then SAP keep on launching n number of BAPIs. Okay, yeah, all of you see here. So it is a remote function module defined as a method in the business object, so that an external system can access SAP data. We all know that your function module has what, son? Import, export, changing, tables, exceptions, right? So now exceptions is used for what? Handle what? Errors, right? Exceptions are used to handle errors. But now, do you think, once you have an exception raised, what happens? The size of RC is not equal to 0. Yes or no? Now, do you think your Java.NET can understand size of RC? No. So So therefore, Bapi doesn't have what? Exception. This is one of the main difference. And because third party is getting errors, Sai Sabarsi they cannot understand. Because finally your Bapi is raising error means that is known through the program, through Sai Sabarsi only. Na? If Sai Sabarsi is not equal to 0 means your Bapi has some error. So in short man, exceptions are not there. Then to handle success or failure message, there is a exporting parameter of structure Bapi red 2. Bapi red 2. And all of you see Bapis are used for transferring non-SAP data to SAP systems for enjoy transactions. In ECC system also, where in ECC system, if you want to make, if you want to transfer, I mean the data of T code ME21N, VL01N, VT01N. I mean the T codes which ends with N. What is that? N. You have T code MM01, XD01, XK01. Okay. X01. N is not there. N is a new one. What is N? It's a new T codes. N means new. Or enjoy. Enjoy transactions also we say. Enjoy. A terminology SAP uses. So the T codes which ends with N, new T codes. For these T codes, you cannot use BDC. That means call transaction and session method you cannot use. Now you may ask why, what the reason? Answer is, see man, we all know that to work with your BDC, so we need to do recording. And do what? Recording is the base. Recording is what? Foundation for your BDC, call transaction and session. So now what does recording will do? Recording captures screens, screen feeds, its value actions. Now these T codes, enjoy T codes and T codes has many screens and subscreens. Has many what? Screen within a screen, screen within a screen you have, which will not make recording to capture it properly. So therefore, PDC is not all possible with these T codes. Then how to transfer non-SAP data related to the T code? We all know that the non-SAP data is transferred to SAP through T codes only na? For transaction session. So SAP says BAPIs should be used. What should be used? So the T codes which are enjoy T codes, new T codes, you have to compulsorily use what? BAPI to transfer non-SAP data to all of you see the above T codes you cannot use BDC. For these transactions, the recording fails because it contains many GUI subscripts. Therefore, for these T codes, you need to compulsorily use what? BAPI to transfer non-SAP data to SAP. Okay. Now, let's see for other T code F501. What is F501? It is used to create what? Bank master data. It is used to create what? Bank master data. All of you have a look now. Remote enabled function module. Defined as method in business object so that an external applications Java or .NET can access SAP data. Can access which data? This is the utility. Now we need to know some T codes. I told you we have MM01 to create what? Material master data, right? XD01 create customer master data. XK01 create vendor master data. Similarly, F501 to create bank master data. Now to this data, I need to transfer your to this T code. And using this T code, I want to transfer non-SAP data to. So this is our objective. So I can use BDC also, but let's see how to use Bapi. Let's see how to use Bapi. So here now the important first step is we should know how to find a Bapi for a particular T code. There are thousands of Bapis. You have how many? Thousands. So now I need to find a Bapi which helps me to create bank master data. Okay, how do you search it? Now let's see how to find it out. All of you have a look. See here. So BMK is a database table where your bank master data is stored. Okay. Like Mara, Marci, Mardi, MAKT, MBW, MVKE. These are the tables where material master data is stored. Similarly, see, we need to know two things, man. Try to understand. We are coming to know T codes. But what does the T code will do? This we should know. For example, MM01 is used to create what? Material master data. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? It is used to create material master data means what? What is happening? Data is database. Man. Data is stored where? Database tables. Which tables? Mara, Marci, Mardi, MAKT, MBW, MARV, MARM, MVKE. Okay, 5 words. Similarly, XD01 is used. What is it? XD01 is used to create what? Customer master. What is happening? Customer details. Where? In the database table. Which tables? KNA1, KNB1, KNBK, KNVV, KNVP, KNVI. Number of tables. Similarly, XK01 is used to create what? Vendor master data. What do you mean by that? That means vendor details are stored in database table. Which table? LFA1, LFB1, LFBK, LFC1, LFM1, likewise. Similarly, we are telling bank master data, F501 is used to create bank master. What do you mean by that? Bank details are stored in database. Which table? BN, K. Are you getting the point? This is very, very important point what I'm telling you. Okay. T code, whenever standard T codes are used, some master data or transaction data. How many types of data you have? Only two types. What is it? Master transaction. See, through SAP, all these master data and transaction data is stored to transactions. Nobody else in the world will use insert, modify, delete cannot be used, update commands to fill your standard tables. Then how these standard tables are filled? Through transactions. MM01 to create, 02 to change, 03 to display. This point you keep in mind. So creation, modification, display means what? Creation means data is stored in database. Modification means data is modified in database. 03 means display means data is fetched from database. Keyboard you should know, tables you should know. And as a technical guy, this is not enough. One more point is important. What are the primary keys you should know? What you should know? Primary keys. Now we are talking of metal master data is stored in Mara, Marci, Mar. What are the primary key? MATNA. That is not enough. MATNA technical name you should know. It's a type. Type is what? Char. Length is how much? You should know. This is not enough. One more point is required. Final point. The data in the database table is stored in the form of leading zeros. This is also. If you know this sequence now, you can be a very good developer. Then you will come to know what is happening now. Now you will see transactions are executed. In our mind, we need to think, okay, this transaction is for this T code, this is the screen coming, for this screen is stored in which table, what are the key fields, how data is represented. If you know this, reports are used to fetch the data. Module pool is used to modify the data. BDC is used to transfer the data. Now report is to fetch the data from which table? Database table. Which table? What are the fields? Now you know it. How to get the data and display? Easily you can do. Similarly, BDC is used to transfer non-SPDA to SAP. Which tables? Database tables. You know those tables and key fields. Easy for you. Are you getting the point? This is right, sir. That's it. So now all of you see we are using FI01. It is used to create bank master data. And that means bank details are stored in BN KA. Now after that, what I told, we need to know key fields. What are the key fields? BNK is BN KL. These are the two key fields called as composite keys. So how system represents here country key. For example, ICICI Bank is there. It is there in India. It is there in USA, Canada. Number of countries here. So key is unique. ICICI Bank is there, but it belongs to which country? Country belongs to country. So country and key combination gives you uniqueness. Reading the point. I say ICICI Bank. For example, I have number of clients here in India. People are from US, Canada also, other countries also, Australia. So now they have ICICI Bank. How we identify US ICICI Bank in India? Through country codes. ICICI Bank is same only. With their key and country code helps you. Therefore, combination is important. All of you see. In addition to this, you have here region, house number, street, BNKS, country, KL key. Okay. And bank name, state, house number, this. And bank branch also you have. Okay, sir. Now all of you have a look. I am creating F501 India. Is say something K IN 101. Something I am giving. So this is ICI Bank. Region is press F4 and just find the region. We are in Telangana. 36 is the region. Street Amirpet, city Hyderabad, Amirpet branch. Okay, save it. Now it is stored. Now go and check in database table here for country India. And key is what? This is the key. You got it just now. I entered. Yes. So that means through your F501 you are able to fill your database table. Means bank details. Yes or no? Yeah. Now all of you have a look. I have given an ownership data BN bank. Have a look here. See this one. Country, key, bank name, region, street, city, and bank branch. So INV 108 example. Okay. So let me check now in the table. IN 101 is there to IN 110. Do you have this data? No. So IN, I'll make a data accordingly. IN 101 to, is it clear? Now these data I need to transfer using what? Using Bapi, yes. So now for F501 I need to find Bapi or not? Yes. Now the next point is steps to find Bapi for T code F501. So first step to find program name and its package for T code F50. All of you see how to find program name and its package. Go to T code F501. Go with system status. See all of you. This is the T code. This is the program name. Double click SAPMF02B. This is the program. What is this program? Module, all module tool only. Okay. So this is the program, all of you. Package. Go with an option, go to attributes or object directory. You got it. This is the package. Okay, all of you. This is step one. Step two, to find business object type. T code C80. C80. We need to find business object. Uh, Go with C80, all of you. So here in the drop down list, go to your package. Go to package. For the package we have this one. Enter. So the moment you enter this, all of you see your business engineering expanded. Business object type expanded. See, you have this bus 101 101. Bus means business object type. Okay. See, man, in OOPS concept, you have class. Class contains attributes, methods, uses, components of a class. Object is also same. Class is a template data type. Object is an instance of a class. Okay. So, which contains attributes, methods, and events. This is part of our syllabus. In the coming class we'll see in detail. In short, here we are looking for built-in objects, classes kind of thing. Okay. So either we find business object this type, this way. Okay, of course. Or you can, okay, this is the second one. Next now, step 3. To find Bapi. T code is Bapi only. T code is what? Bapi. All of you see. Go to Bapi T code. Click on alphabetical tab button. Click on find from standard toolbar. Give here your bus BUS 1011 and object type you select. Is it object type? Enter. Now you see system selects bank. See what is this bank? All of you see is belonging to this object type. Expand this. It's an object now. Okay, it's an object. Object contains attributes. All of you. This is a attribute field. Attributes are fields. And you have methods. See, method is a Bapi. And we want create method or not. Yes. So I told you that Bapi is a function module. Bapi is what? All of you see it's a function module. This is a function module. All Bapis starts with Bapi only. All Bapi starts from name Bapi. See Bapi this. Defined as a method. See this is a method in a business object. This is a function module. All of you see. It is a function module defined as a method where BO. This is method. This is business object. Okay. Now double click here. Again, you see we should be good at what? Function models. See, function models are so powerful. Everywhere you find function model, internal table structure. Believe me, if you are clear with function model perfectly to use function model, you will become a very good developer. Ababa. Bapi also uses what? Bapi itself is a function model. Now you should know it or not? Yes, you should know it. Now you see. Click on attributes. What is this function? Remote name. And you have import. Import is an input. You have export. Export is an out. Changing both input and output, but you do not have that parameter. Tables is used to pass. So you have input, you see. Now you should know how to use these functions. What data you need to pass and which data is mandatory. If some of the parameters are not mandatory, then which parameters I need to pass it should know. Okay. So now on the screen, tell me how many parameters are mandatory. Yes. Which one? City and address. Mandatory, mandatory, compulsory. Tell me how many parameters?
Two parameters.
What are those? Tell me.
Bank CTRY, bank address.
Bank country and bank address. Yes, very good. Right. That means compulsory need to pass that to it. Yes. Now tell me, bank country is what type of parameter it is, and bank address is of what type?
Country and address asterisk.
Hmm. Tell me, country is of what type? How you telling me this character? Hmm. Tell me how you are telling it is a character. Hmm. Tell me. Mohin, बोलिए. Countries of what type? Huh? No, at least you tell me it is referring to what? Hmm? Yes, it is referring to structure. Structure? सही बोले आप बोलो. Structure? Structure? कटे पे है. Field. वही बोले ना. Structure field it is referring. How do you say it's a structure field? Hmm? Hyphen, sir. Hyphen you have here, you see. Hyphen, very difficult one, very, very difficult, right? What is their man? Mara hyphen Matnar. ENO hyphen EMP, WA hyphen ENO. hyphen, hyphen. How many times you have seen? For months we are seeing hyphen. Hyphen means what? Structure field. Structure. You see throughout SAP, all the parameters either refer to structure directly or structure field. Or one more is there, data element. Any function module you take, these three things you will have. Either it will refer to structure, field, or data element, or directly structure. No, domain it will not refer. Domain is not all global for your information. Domain has no importance in the sense you cannot refer to domain. You may say Matnar is domain. Shall I'll tell you this also. Matnar is there. It is what? Data. What is this? Domain is also Matnar, but you are not referring to domain, but you refer to data element. Throughout SAP in the world, nobody will refer to domain. We will refer to. You keep in mind this one. Of course, both the names can be same, but you refer to data element. Therefore, you double click on Matna, it will take you to data element, not to domain. That means you're referring to data element, not to. In some cases, data element and domains are different. For example, Matnar is there. Matnar 1 will be there. You refer to Matnar 1. See what will happen. It will give error. Because you cannot refer to domain. You need to refer to is it clear, sir? This is an important point. Okay. So now this is a structure field. How to know? Double click. Double click. See, this is structure. You're referring to country to country. Go back. This is what? Key. This is also a field or not? How to know? Double click. Key. Structure field. This is what? This is what? How you can say it's an internal table? Underscore is an internal table, huh? It's a structure. Double click. See. Is a structure. Structure is what? Group of fields. You have group of fields or not? So that means I need to pass these things, no? Very simple. Then export. It will return you returning parameter. What is it is of what? Bapi red 2. This is an interview question they'll ask you. So what is the exporting parameter to give the messages? Bapi red 2. What is it? It is also a structure. Double click. It is a structure. Structure is what? Group of fields. Your type ID this. Is it clear, all of you? Yeah. Okay. So now what I need to do? So we came to know now. Here Bapi. Okay. I need to use this Bapi. Bapi is what? Function module. So I need to call a Bapi and what you are doing now? Transferring data. Yes. So now all of you have a look. C37 Bapi bank create, import, export, changing tables. Exceptions are not there is because it is a Bapi, which is for third party, and third party cannot understand exceptions. So you have import here. So now how to use it? Tell me. Z, Bapi, bank create. Okay, I'm using it. Click on create. Uh, Here this is to transfer bank master data from non-SAP to SAP. With our package, this is the so we have BDC man. Now what we need? We need to create. So this is our file. Yes or no? So this is country, key, bank, name, brand, your region, street, city, and branch. So now tell me, I need to create what now? Structure, line type. With how many columns? 7 you have? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. See 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Now tell me to create line type or structure. Tell me. Types will take begin of. Tell me begin of. Hmm. First field is what? Country. Type is what? This is very, very, very important. Next is key type. Next, bank name, BNK name. Next, region. Next, street, city, and street. Then city and bank branch. Now tell me what type I need to give for country. Hmm? This is important. What did you give? Hmm? All these types should be what? transferring this data to where? This table. Which table? BNK. So I need to check the structure of BNK or not. Yes or no? Go to the table now, sir. BNK. See, you have it. This is what country. So we'll refer to country only. Country to country. This is key. So I need to give what now? Data element. Next key is what? Next. Bank name is what? Is the bank name? Yes or no? Next. Region is what? Data element. Next. Street. This is street. Next. City. Next. Bank branch. Is it clear? End of line type. Next, to create an IT bank of structure, tell me data. Stated with header line or without? Yes. To create work area of structure line type. Type line type. Tell me. Next, what you need to do. Step is to upload your flat file. So we have done a man. Your BDC, all these things we have done. Z upload file. We have done this. Same thing we have. All these things are same or not? Up to here, right? So P file, browse file. Next, upload flat file. Here, IT raw we have. Here IT back. What is this? Country we have. See country key. Next. Bank. Next. street. Next is street you have. It's a region. Next you have. Then city. And that's it, right? Okay, it's okay. Just for displaying. Okay. Now you see, I'm fetching the data. I'm just closing here. Bank. Got it? So no. Yes. So this is first step. Second step is what? You need to call Bapi. You need to call. So here what we need to do? We have the data where now? In IT bank? Yes. That means I need to loop it. Loop at IT bank into and so for each loop I need to call or not? What I need to call? Bapi bank create. So this function module, this Bapi you say, will create bank master data. So we need to call it pattern Bapi bank. See all of you. We need to call it. What we need to pass here? Bank country, bank key, and address. So these are all not required. Yes, sir? No. Yeah. So I'll return what? Returning. So I need to create even one more work area here to create area WA red of structure what? Bapi red 2. Right. Return type Bapi red 2. So I need to pass here that also. Yes. So these things I need to pass it. I'm reading the point. Yeah. So you can also pass it. Okay. But the thing is here, this is one only. See, WA hyphen country. This is WA hyphen key. See, country to country, key to key. Here address you have. That means again I need to create one work area. This is important. I need to create what? Create work area. WADDR address of structure what? Tell me anybody of structure this bank address. Where is it? This is mandatory. No? Need to pass this data WA type. This is very very important. This is Bapi. All structures also starts with what? Because anyhow, just I have told here in the next class we'll see. In the next class, I'll show you. You please do up to here at least. Okay. WADDR, here WA, right. So we are ready, Bapi is ready now. Okay, if you execute, data will be uploaded now. Okay, so even you try here, in the next class I'll show you how to upload this data, and also changes also I'll show you. How to upload changes. Okay. So therefore, man, BAPIs are very simple, believe me. The thing you should know is you need to be good at function module. That's it. If you are clear with function module, the things are okay. So in the notes also everything is there, man. So we need to use explicitly, all of you have a look, one point here. BAPI transaction commit, you need to use it. Here, this is mandate. Because BAPI itself will not commit the data. It's not possible. BAPI bank create is there. This one, it will not insert the data directly. So if you have an idea, generally we will use commit and rollback. Commit work helps you to update the data to database. Normally till then it is in buffer. Here also we need to explicitly use commit work. That means this function module you need to take. What is that function module? BAPI transaction commit. In this you have commit work only. We shall update the data to database. Compulsorily need to use it. Okay. Of course, I'll show you. So now all of you have a look. Assignment is what? So to work with BAPI for T code F501. Okay. And I'll upload this also, all of you. File also. Okay, sir. All of you go through it. In the next class, we'll see the remaining things in detail. Thanks, all of you. Thank you.